all have ugly friends. Check me out. Check me out.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday.
Good day guys! Disclaimer lang ha, hindi ako vlogger, hindi din ako content creator. So andito ako kasi gusto kong magkagrado kay Sir Sigo. So ngayon i-explain ko yung refrigeration system cycle. Para mas madali nating matandaan, hatiin natin yung drawing ko vertically at horizontally. So kapag vertical, ang left side, lahat ng refrigerant dito ay nasa low pressure. Tapos yung right side naman, lahat ng refrigerant dito ay nasa high pressure. So, ibig sabihin, dalawang pressure state lang ang umiikot, low pressure at high pressure. Kapag horizontal naman, hatiin natin into top and bottom, di ba? So, yung upper part is mostly vapor refrigerant. Then, yung lower part is mostly liquid refrigerant. So, basically, dalawang state ng refrigerant din ang umiikot, vapor at liquid. So, okay. So, first, stop tayo sa compressor. Dito, the refrigerant goes into low pressure, low temperature vapor or tinatawag nating LPLT. So, the compressor is squeezed super tight kaya paglabas niya, it becomes high pressure, high temperature vapor or HPHT. So usually nasa 150 to 250 PSI dito. Depende sa system. So basically, dito nagsisimula yung cycle. Ayan. Next, it goes to the condenser. So imagine the refrigerant coming in as HPHT vapor. Tapos dito siya naglalabas ng heat. Meron fan na tumutulong para mag-cool down siya. And then, it turns into high pressure liquid. Pero kahit liquid na siya, it still keep the pressures high. Then, we move to the expansion valve. Dito, nagbabago ang lahat. Kasi, from high pressure liquid, biglang drop ng pressure. So, it's become a low pressure, low temperature mixture. So, super lamig na siya dito. Kaya perfect siya for cooling. Finally, we have the evaporator. Dito naman, yung malamig na refrigerant will absorb heat from their surroundings, yung ano niya. So, while it's doing that, it boils and turns back into the low pressure vapor, usually nasa 30 to 40 PSI. After that, it goes to the compressor and the whole cycle repeats again. So ayun guys, that's how refrigeration cycle works.